Hello，大家好。咁 today is 第3日 of 呢個 challenge，係我用咗英文同中文，like 我係會 mix 咗佢一齊嘅。咁我就今日咧就想講關於我中意嘅歌手。咁我中意好多歌手，不過我而家諗到嘅咧就係方大同啦、張敬軒啦、張國榮啦。光良。咁女歌手我中意衛蘭 and 我中意 Gem 啦、鄧紫棋啦 and 梅艷芳啦、鄭秀文啦，即係好多好多好多。咁每個歌手都有自己嘅風格，即係佢哋都即係唱好多唔同嘅genres and 我就想講下。即係對我嚟講，即係無論係粵語歌或普通話歌啲歌，佢哋都即係學中文，即係對我嚟講，即係幫助我好大咯。即係學中文嗰時，即係幫助我好多好多。即係嗰陣時我會聽呢啲歌咧，我會去揾啲歌詞嘅。咁呢啲歌詞咧，我係雖然見到啲字啦，上面有拼音啦，不過我唔知佢講乜嘢，我唔明白。即係你串晒一齊呢啲歌詞咧，我唔知呢首歌係講乜嘢嘅。不過有啲部分，即係 for example 有個 chorus， 這副歌就是如果它有某一個部分，就是聽起來就很好聽，或者是什麼的，就是我會記得那一趴，然後我就會一直練，一直練，一直練，練到就我聽那首歌的時候，我就會跟着一直唱出來，然後我就會說哦 OK 好，那我就這樣。但其實我不知道那是什麼意思。So which is really funny because I feel like when you're learning a language, through music and through watching dramas, it really helps a lot. In terms of pronunciation, sometimes it may help you be familiar with the words, and you'll maybe even in watching dramas, you'll also discover new words that you don't even see in the textbook that you use. So that's how I learned. And that reminds me, I could tell y'all another topic on the next video. But anyways, 呢個咧就係我第3個 challenge。咁第3日嗰個即係做呢個 challenge。咁下一個 video 咧，我就講下我係點樣學，即係有咩幫助我學中文嘅。So I'll see you next one. Bye bye.